So create a new file here, just going to paste the code. Okay, here is the code here. Okay, anything else there? Nothing here. Let's run it. So we have got video, then IDO, then DO, then EO. Yes or no? Look here. Yes, we have got video, IDO, DO, and EO. So how actually that is going to happen? Let's go for it. Okay. Can you guess it? Actually, how this program is giving us this output there? First, it is printing video. It's for $8 video. I is the position from first. B mistake all the characters. Yes or no? So next time what happens? It becomes 2. Yes or no? I becomes 2. Then B, it remains fixed there. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But there are no 5 characters, so it is displaying all remaining characters only there. Next time it becomes 3. Yes or no? From 3 means from D position. How many characters? B stands for 5. So again we are not having 5 characters. It prints all the remaining characters, that is DEO. Yes or no? Next time what is the value of I? That is 1, 2, 3. Yes, next time 3 from first, then second, then 3, then 4. Next time when it becomes 4, so what is the value of 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. E. Yes or no? E. And what is the value of B? It is 5 again. It is being 5, but we are not having the 5 characters, so it displays only E and O. Means remaining characters only it displays there. So that is how it works there. Let's go for the dry run. Let's take this to next page here. Okay, now here we have to make table. Let's make table here. So what is first variable here? $8. Let's put $8 here. What is the value? Video. Let's put video. Yes. And next is here. And what is the next variable? B. So B equals to len, and that is $8. And what is the value of this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we get 5 here. Actually every time it becomes 5, it is not going to change here. Next we have loop. So I equals to 1, 1, 2, 4. Yes, means there is increment by 1, 1, 1 only there. And what actually it is going to print, let's put it here in this column. So that is $, $8. Next is here I, next is here B. Okay, sorry, B. Okay, so what it is going to print here? It is going to print the first, it is 5, B equals to 5 here. So I, it is 1, and next is here mid $, $, then I, then B. So what is the value of this one? It is I is 1, B is 5, take 5 characters. It means it takes video, so it displays video. Okay, next B, it becomes again 5, so no change here. In when the value of I is 2, yes or no? When the value of I is 2, yes, and here is again mid dollar A, this one, then I, then B. So it means I is 2, second position, B means 5. What is the second position? That is I, yes or no? And what is the value of B? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, there are only 4 characters. So what it does, it takes all these characters, so we get here I, D, E, O. Yes, in this way it repeats. Again, let's put here B equals to 5, I is 3, yes or no? And here is again mid dollar, A dollar, then I, then B, then it gives us, now next time I is 3 means 1, 2, 3, D, yes or no? Next is D, so from third character D we'll be getting all those characters, remaining characters, D, E, O, so we get there D, E, O. Next time again it is 5, so no change here. I is 4, yes or no? It is the last value of loop. Now what we get here, this one, A dollar, then I, then B again, so we get here fourth. What is the first position? 1, 2, 3, 4, that is E, right? And what is the value of B? That is 5, so we are not having a 5 characters, left is only 1, so we get there E, O, that's all. So what is the output? Let's output is, what is the output here? Output is video, obviously, audio, then DO, then EO. So this is the output. I hope you also have this one. If any confusion, so use the chat box. You may use the TikTok, you may use the Facebook, you may use the any channel there. If you have any confusion, okay. Tomorrow again, not tomorrow actually, there will be we will be discussing about some C programs. So if you have interest in C programming, then you can join me sharp time, that is 3 p.m. We'll be discussing some interesting facts of C programming, you know or you may not know there. So join me tomorrow, and if you have any friends, you can also tell them to join me. So Sunday, Monday we'll be discussing about for the grade 10. Similarly, Tuesday and Wednesday we'll be talking about the grade 11, and for grade 12 we'll be discussing about the Thursday and Friday. So thank you, take care, now have a good day. Okay, thank you, take care.